Hello everyone, this is me Sharon. Welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'll be showing you how to crochet this triangular granny squares. Iba to sa mga granny square na nakikita nyo. Meron siyang parang pinaka-highlights on top of 3 double crochet clusters, and if you have been watching my previous videos, medyo similar siya, only they have different shapes. This one is round, meron scallop na edging, and then this one naman is square. So if you haven't watched and you would like to watch this video tutorials, you may click my previous videos. I'll be using 3.5mm crochet hook and a medium weight yarn. We start by making a slip knot, and then we're going to chain 4, and we're going to form a ring. So we're going to slip stitch into the first chain that we have made to form a ring. And then we're gonna start round 1. For round 1, we're gonna chain 3, and this will count as 1 double crochet, and then followed by 2 double crochet, then chain 3. So we're just going to repeat this 2 more times to have 3 double crochets and then chain 3, so that we will form a mini triangle. Once done, we're going to work a slip stitch on top of the 3rd beginning chain, and that ends round 1. For round 2, we're going to use another color of yarn, and we're going to work a few single crochets and chains around. So we're going to leave a long loop, or you can add a stitch marker so that it doesn't go unravel. So we're gonna get the gray yarn or whatever contrasting color of yarn that you want, and then we're gonna make a slip knot, and we're gonna start in between the first double crochet, which is a chain 3, and the second double crochet there. So we will work in between the gap, not into the stitch, and then after that we're gonna chain 2, and then into the next 2 double crochet we're gonna work 1 single crochet. We chain 3, and then work 1 single crochet in between the next 2 double crochet, chain 2, and then 1 single crochet in between the last 2 double crochets, and then we're going to repeat this around. Once done, we're going to work a slip stitch on top of the first single crochet that we've made. So we're going to leave this undone, and we're going to add a stitch marker again because we are going to get back to this once we finish round 3. So for round 3, we're going to pull the color A, or the main color. So we're going to get the loop there, and we pull it to the front, and we're going to start working the clusters of 3 double crochets. So we're gonna start by chaining 3, which will count as 1 double crochet, and then into that same chain space next to the 3 chains or the first double crochet of the previous round, we're gonna work 2 more double crochets. So we should have 3 double crochets in there, and then we're going to chain 2, And then into the next chain 3 space, we're gonna work 3 double crochet, chain 3, and then 3 double crochet. That is what we're going to repeat around. Once we get back around, we're going to complete the cluster of where we first placed our 3 double crochet. So it's not yet done. We are going to complete the cluster once we get back around. So this is going to be the sequence after working the 3 double crochets, chain 3, then 3 more double crochets into the chain 3 space, and then we're going to chain 2. To complete round 3, we're going to finish by working 3 double crochets into that same chain 3 space as where we first placed the first 3 double crochet cluster, and then in between those 3 double crochets we're going to place 3 chains. Next is we're going to work a slip stitch on top of the third beginning chain to end round 3. So after that, we're going to leave a long loop or add a stitch marker because we're going to get back to the gray color, and we will continue working a series of single crochets and chains on round 4. And that is how you can make this triangular granny square. So if you would like the colors to pop out, make sure to use the contrasting colors. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, do not forget to hit like, comment for other requests that you would like to see on my channel, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye bye!